When winter rolls in, employees at the Vermont Agency of Transportation finish up their summer projects and start preparing for the coming months. Not only is there lots of plowing, but also lots of planning that goes into keeping these roads safe. I spent the last few months trying to learn what it takes to be part of such a widespread and important operation with members of the agency's District 3 office.
So my name is Brayden Shelton. I am the district project manager. What my team and I do in order to get the maintenance staff ready for snow and ice control is our main duties are to get the trucks calibrated first to make sure that they're putting out the proper amount of salt. Our duties then shift to going and measuring salt sheds and estimating the quantity of salt in each shed after storm events.
467 ton is what our computer says is in inventory. We're here to make sure that the numbers match up.
Once all the salt measurements have been taken, they return to the district office to calculate the amount of salt that they have. Salt in the agency is one of, if not the most costly resource in the winter. Jim and Brian work together to make sure that they not only have enough salt, but also to make sure that the quality of the salt meets the required specifications. When taking a salt sample, they are sure to record everything.
The time, the sample source, material source.
We need to document everything when we get the sample, because this sample could work against the delivery contractor if there's too much moisture and it doesn't meet spec.
This may include events that occurred that may affect the quality of the salt, the moisture in the salt, or the amount.
Just put it in there and bring it to the lab.
And our lab's located up in Mendon, and they do all this testing. And that's our duties.
My name is Tracy Pack. I'm the General Maintenance Manager for District 3 here in the Rutland area.
The VTrans agency is prepared with an entire fleet of industrial vehicles, including 112 pickup plows, 55 loaders, 8 graders, and 257 dump trucks.
I just help oversee and get them what they need to make these things happen.
While there are many hardworking drivers out on the roads, it is the job of the supervisors like Tracy to make sure everyone has what they need and that everyone is prepared.
The winter months, the project is generally plowing and maintaining the roads.
We get snow from pretty much Wheelerville to the bottom of the pass here in October. So we try to stay ready.
Traffic public really never always sees us when they want to see us. Therefore, we do kind of tend to get a bad rap, but we are out there doing the best we can to maintain the roads. We don't have a bare roads policy. We can't just dump a whole bunch of salt down a road and you have bare pavement.
What the agency does have is a plan to make sure that the roads are prioritized in a way to make sure that traveling is as safe as possible.
The way we go is we're saving lives to make sure everyone is safe.
You know, just try to make it southwestern Vermont a little bit better than we found it.
Winter preparation is a series of activities to make sure that they're ready to go.
People at the Agency of Transportation do their job to the best of their ability to make sure that we are safe. And they do it all year long.